Hi, in front of me is POCO X3 GT, and today I would like to show you how you can check all specifications of this POCO. Firstly, open Play Store and click on the search bar. Then type in DevCheck. Like that. Finally, install this free app from Flare2 developer, DevCheck device and system info. When your app is ready, open it. Now, thanks to it, you can learn all the information about your POCO's dashboard, hardware, system, battery, network, apps, camera, and even sensors. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!